Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on this video, I am talking about the Meyiwa family. We've been questioning as the country, where is the Meyiwa family? Why are they not saying anything regarding the case? What's happening with them? I'm happy to say that at least on Sunday, they came together. There was a time it looked like there was a division in the family where Sifiso has always had a stand where he says, my brother was not killed by any intruder. My brother, the intruder that killed my brother is a person that was inside the house. The people that were inside the house knows exactly what happened to my brother. That was Sifiso's stand for the entire time. That was what he stood for. At some point, he stood for on that with his family and his cousin Sia Bongamia. I don't know what happened. Okay, wait, before I say I don't know what happened, then somewhere we had the Meyiwa family going to the AfriForum to assist them in doing a private prosecution. The next thing that we saw, Jiki, that was 2019. 2020 now, all of a sudden, Jiki, there are people that have been arrested, and these people are the ones that shot and killed Senzo. They were sent by Kelly Khumalo. But when they first announced it, they did not talk about Kelly Khumalo. We heard about Kelly Khumalo from Brigadier Geninda and from the accused when they, okay, no, not from the accused. We heard from the so-called statement of the accused when they were allowed to be read on record. Yes, that's the right way of putting it. And then we heard all of that. Now, one thing all the way from 2014 up until now, Sifiso had a stand that Usenzo was not killed by anyone because the reason for him having a stand, the person that phoned them was Tumelo. And Tumelo said to one of the family members, Usenzo was accidentally shot by Zandi's boyfriend while he was separating a fight between the two. That's what happened. That's what initially Tumelo told them. The next thing, the following day, Tumelo changed the statement that now on the news it was Senzo was killed by intruders. And then Usifiso did not buy that story. Usifiso did not buy that story. Anyway, now we saw after 2019 when these guys were getting arrested, we saw Gerenel being the one now that is busy and saying that there's someone that needs, he knew it was Kelly Khumalo. The briefing that he got was that these are the guys. And then after that, the evidence now needed to be led. When the evidence was led, we were like, in fact, some of us started when they were arrested, the way they behaved, they didn't want to even enter the box. They refused to enter the box. It was just hard. Because they were like, they know nothing about the Senzo case. And it got proven by the state that them toying to enter the box, it was a fair thing to do because indeed, they had nothing to do with the crime. So I am happy that Mrs. Meyiwa, Senzo's mother, is the one now that stood for that, saying that I know the five guys that they have their own things, but when it comes to my child, they did not kill my child. Yabana, when she said that on Sunday, the 26th of October, it sealed it for everyone. That woman did not do anything wrong when she said that. She is seeing things for what they are because the evidence that has been presented in court by the state saying it's the evidence against the accused, it's not evidencing, guys. It's not making it right. It's all fabricated evidence. And why are we saying it's fabricated evidence? Because Vodacom came and showed us where accused number 5 was and accused number 3 was when the incident was happening. And then also the Vodacom told us there is no calls between Kelly Khumalo and the so-called coordinator, which is accused number 5. From each of them, no one contacted the other. And they are saying they don't know Kelly Khumalo. And also the so-called confession statement, there's a lot of things that are going wrong. One of the things that are going wrong, the so-called confession statement of accused number 1 is speaking about the Buthelezi brothers. And they want us, Gininda want us to believe that I choose number one sincerely wanted to confess. So who confesses and lies again? Who does that? Who does that? I can read but the Buthelezi brothers were also known as the dangerous hitmen of KZN. So if, let's say, he's protecting them, why would you protect yourself from another dangerous man to another dangerous man because they think the same? So Muzi lied about that, this one, but this one, hey, something is fishy with when it comes to that. It smells cooking, it smells manufacturing, it smells everything that is not right. So when we saw Senzo's mom saying, you know what, my son was not killed by the people and she said, I do not watch those proceedings. It's just drama. I don't have time for that because I know the people inside the house know what happened to my son. And then she went on to say, why didn't Kelly go to the stand? Why didn't Longwe go to the stand? Why didn't Makumalo go to the stand? Why? So I was I must say at some point, Mamaka Senzo was confused because Renel was feeding her information. I guess Sifiso managed to sit down with his family because even this Senzo's aunt was also saying, no, we don't even, Senzo's aunt went as far as saying, I don't even know why is the judge, the old judge being from retirement, didn't they have any other judge that they could find? Didn't? So the family now looks like they have come together and they have decided they are going to work together, stand together because this is their problem. And I'm glad that it was shown on national television. The family does not believe the accused are guilty of the murder of Senzo. They don't believe it. In fact, even if they were wrong, right now, there is absolutely nothing to prove that these guys did the crime. The DNA, the cell phone evidence, everything, picture evidence. The main person who is their main witness, the state witness, which is Zungu, he says he was with the accused, but there is not a single picture of him with the accused, but they were taking pictures. The second thing, there is not Muzi in those pictures. There is accused 3, there is accused 5, there is accused 4. But accused number 1 and 2, they are not in those pictures. But Zungu says that they were together. Zungu is not in those pictures. Accused number 1 is not on those pictures. Accused number 2 is not on those pictures. But this one wants everyone to believe that they were together. There is no person from the hostel that says, we do remember this part that Zungu refers to. We do remember this day that Zungu is referring. There is no one from the hostel that says, I remember that day. Absolutely nobody from the hostel. But Zungu wants us to trust his word for it. Imagine that. Imagine that, guys. He wants us as the country to trust his word for it after everything that has happened. Imagine that. So that's what we are going through as the country right now. We are celebrating that at least the Meyiwa family has come together and they are speaking in one voice, even if there was confusion. These people, we must remember, they are hurting. They want closure. They want to understand what happened. They know Senzo is never going to come back, but what they want, what happened to him? Someone who was inside the house must tell us what exactly happened to him. And it's sad because the moment the truth comes out, the people that were inside the house are going to go down for defeating the ends of justice, especially Zandile, especially Tumelo, especially Mtoko. The 3 of them are going to go to jail for defeating the ends of justice. I don't know whether they are looking at 8 to 15 years imprisonment or writing statements and also going through with going to the courtroom and lie again. Commit perjury. I don't know about Zungu, how long will it take for him, but it is that sad situation. He's a police officer. I'm sure it will be longer for him, but it is what it is. I want to hear your views on the comment section. How did you feel? How did that make you feel when you saw Senzo's mom live on television saying, I do not believe that the 5 accused killed my son, but I do know the people that were inside the house knows what happened to my son. Drop your comments. Let's talk with comment section. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.